Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be multiplying three fractions. We have a half times 4/5 times 2/3. When we multiply fractions, we just have to multiply straight across. Let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. Now let's multiply the denominators. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. 8/30ths. I notice that we can simplify. We can divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. The product is 4/15. Half times 5/8 times 3/5. Let's multiply the numerators. We have 1 times 5 is 5, and 5 times 3 is 15. Let's multiply the denominators. Let's start with 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 times 2 is 80. Remember, when we multiply, the order doesn't matter. We have 15/80ths. I notice that we can simplify by dividing by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 80 divided by 5 is 16, because 16 times 5 is 80. The product is 3/16. Half times 3/4 times 1/4. Let's multiply the numerators. We have 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. Let's multiply the denominators. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. The product is 3/32. 1/8 times 5/7 times 2/3. Let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 5 is 5, and 5 times 2 is 10. Let's multiply the denominators. 8 times 7 is 56, and 56 times 3, 56 times 3, well, I know that 50 times 3 is 150, and 6 times 3 is 18. So 150 plus 18 would be 168. I notice that I can simplify. I can divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 168 divided by 2 is 84, because 84 2 times is 168. The product is 5/84. 1/4 times 2/3 times 1/2. Let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. I notice that we can simplify by dividing by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 12. The product is 1/12.